So you might be in a position where you want to go ahead and actually make your account private on TikTok. It can be done with any device, being an Android or iPhone. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's jump right in. Open up TikTok app. Then of course log into your account and then open your profile. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Open main menu. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on three lines. Then proceed to settings and privacy. Select privacy. And now we should enable option private account. Just next to private account, tap on this option and then tap on switch anyway. Then disable active status. Just swipe the slider to the left side. Then tap on suggest your account to others and then disable all these toggles. So just swipe these toggles to the left side, all these toggles. Go back, tap on sync contacts and Facebook friends and disable these two options, sync contacts and sync Facebook friends. Just disable it. Then scroll down and here you'll be able to see downloads. Select downloads, disable video downloads, go back, select mentions and tags, select no one, scroll down and select who can mention you, select no one. Then go back, select following list and here select only me. Go back, next select story, select only me, go back, select duet and select only me, go back, select stitch and on stitch select only me, go back, like at videos, set only me. Alright, go back, select direct messages and here select no one, go back. So basically this is it. We just enable all private settings that we can do on TikTok. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.